Welcome to Pulte Homes here at Potomac Shores, Prince William County's premier resort-style community. Potomac Shores is almost 2,000 acres resting alongside the Potomac River and boasts 850 acres of open green space. The community is robust with amenities to suit just about anyone. We are located in the Fairways Ridge section of Potomac Shores, where it's all about walkability. Our 13,000 square foot Shores Club is located directly across the street from Fairways Ridge and features a state-of-the-art fitness center, yoga garden, and competition swimming pool. Just to further illustrate our walkability, here's the new Coming Town Center that's currently under construction. So you'll have shopping and dining with an easy access to every home in the community. On the other side of our community, we have Potomac Shores Golf Club along with the Tidewater Inn restaurant, and you can see in the distance that we also have Waterview Homes that overlook the Potomac River, 18th hole golf course, Jack Nicklaus signature, and this would be one of our Waterview home sites. Welcome to the Emerson. This is our 24-foot wide townhome here in Potomac Shores. The model home is configured with the terrace. This floor plan starts at $449,990. Let's go inside and take a look. Welcome to the Emerson, where you're greeted by wide staircases and our included flex room. Right off of the flex room gives easy access to the rear load garage and also a half bath or a full bath. It's completely optional, so pick it your way. Can you see yourself living in this spacious gathering room? This home's 24 feet wide. You can certainly feel it. Here's our gourmet kitchen option. Take note of the size of the kitchen island, along with all the additional cabinet space that you can add. Let's take a look inside the owner's suite. It's a king-size bed. And in this particular one, we've added the upgraded owner's bath, which most people find fantastic. Dual heads, separate tub. This home comes standard as a 3-bedroom home. However, it can be configured for up to 5 bedrooms, depending on your family's needs. Our Emerson floor plan features a 4th level loft. You can add a full bath. How about a double-sided fireplace? Or, if you like the outside, step out onto our 4th level terrace.